Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Sentry Mode clips to Dropbox from Tesla. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup Sentry Mode clips to Dropbox from your Tesla, start by ensuring your Tesla's dashcam USB drive is set up correctly. Plug the USB drive into your Tesla and make sure it is formatted as FAT32. Once you're in your Tesla, navigate to the controls menu on the touchscreen. Select the safety option and then find the Sentry Mode settings. Make sure Sentry Mode is enabled, as this will ensure clips are recorded when needed. Now, drive your Tesla for a while to create some Sentry Mode clips or leave it parked to let the mode activate. After you have recorded some clips, it's time to retrieve them from the USB drive. Remove the USB drive from your Tesla and plug it into your computer. Open the USB drive folder, and locate the folder named TeslaCam. Inside, you'll find folders for Sentry Mode clips. Select the clips you want to backup and copy them. Now, open your Dropbox application or website on the computer. Log into your Dropbox account if you haven't already. Choose or create a folder in Dropbox where you want to store the Sentry Mode clips. Paste the copied clips into the designated Dropbox folder. Allow some time for the files to upload to your Dropbox account. Once the upload is complete, you'll be able to access your Sentry Mode clips from any device linked to your Dropbox. For future backups, simply repeat these steps whenever you want to save new clips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.